In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat button to your Hostinger website builder project. This is a great way to make your website more interactive and allow your visitors to get in touch with you instantly via WhatsApp, which is a preferred communication tool for many people today. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional button that connects your users directly with your WhatsApp account, making customer interaction smooth and accessible. To get started first, open your Hostinger website builder and navigate to the page where you want to add the WhatsApp chat button. Once you're there, look for the option to add elements on the left-hand side. This is where you can include various features to enhance your website. After clicking on Add Elements, you'll see an array of options appear. Scroll through these to find Button and click on it. By doing so, you're telling the website builder that you want to introduce a clickable button element onto your page. After the button has been placed on your page, the next thing we need to do is to customize it so that it represents a WhatsApp chat button. You'll need to rename this new button to something recognizable and intuitive for your visitors. Simply click on the button to activate the editing menu where you can change the button's text. Rename it to WhatsApp or something similar that clearly indicates its purpose. This way, anyone visiting your site will immediately understand what this button is for and what clicking it will achieve. With the button appropriately labeled, the focus should shift to linking it to your WhatsApp account. This step ensures that when users click the button, they're automatically redirected to a WhatsApp chat with you. In the button's settings, locate the option labeled Link to Web Address. This is where you need to input the correct WhatsApp link that connects to your account. Generally, this link will look like https ua.me followed by your phone number. Make sure your phone number is entered in the international format without any spaces or special characters. This format ensures compatibility across different regions and devices. Double-check this link before finalizing to prevent any connection issues. Once you have entered the link, take a moment to review the button's design and functionality. Consider the button's size, color, and position on the page to ensure it's easily noticeable, yet aesthetically pleasing. You might want to test the button by saving your changes and previewing the website. Click the button to confirm that it successfully opens a WhatsApp chat with your number. Adding a WhatsApp chat button is a simple yet impactful feature that can significantly enhance how visitors interact with your business. It's all about leveraging convenient technology to bridge communication gaps, and you've accomplished just that. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your website not only more functional, but also more engaging for your users.